Hi folks, Ben from RC Engineering here. Hopefully you got a little kick out of seeing this shoot. Um, in the last video, video 3, it was fully functional. Here I'm going to show the details finished out and a little bench test for you, and then we'll shoot it again at the end. So basically what's different about this is I've got the factory accessories on. You haven't seen it with doors, the little handles, these little covers. I've got the tracks on. On this side, I had mentioned in the previous video I didn't know if I would put this cover on, and because underneath there is the on-off buttons for the two ESCs. I went ahead and put it on. I have to reach in there with a little screwdriver or something to hit the buttons. But it looks better this way. You know, sometimes looking good has its difficulties. So I guess that's true with RC vehicles also, right? Um, but anyway, I built a little wood cover to cover some of the electronics. It has a stain on it already from the fireworks dust or whatever comes off of them. Got my WPL sticker on the front, and painted some little details like the door handle, silver tow hooks and stuff. I put these little brackets on the side they look like they give reinforcement to the cannon, but it was stable enough without any reinforcement. I just kind of like how it looks. So it's all finished up. I'm going to do a little bench test for you in case you didn't see it operate in the previous video. Maybe this is the first video you've seen on this vehicle. I would encourage you to go back and look at the other videos. I'll put links in the description. And the other plan I have for this a little later, maybe we'll do a legitimate fireworks show where all it does is shoot stuff for you guys. And so anyway, I'm going to do a little bench test. And please, if you like this kind of stuff, consider subscribing and hitting the like button. And I'd really like to hear from you. If you have a comment or a question, I certainly will get back with you. Thank you.